In today's video, I will teach you how to change the sky in a photo using AI. Let's get started. If you want to give your photo a dramatic sky upgrade, you can check out Photor's AI-powered sky replacement tool, where you can swap skies in just a few clicks, whether you want to use your own sky photo, a stock image, or even an AI-generated background. To do this, go to Photor's Sky Replacement Editor, then click the Upload area or drag and drop your image. You can also try a few sample photos provided by the site to preview the effect. And once your image has been uploaded, Photor will automatically detect and isolate the background sky, and you'll now be able to replace the sky with different options. Now we're going to choose a new sky background. To do this, click Change Background, where you can upload your own sky photo or choose from preloaded image backgrounds. Another option is the AI Background tab, but take note that this is a pro feature. Here you can browse categorized AI-generated images, where you can choose options like sunsets, clouds, night skies, and more. Now click the size dropdown to select a preset aspect ratio. For example, 1:1, 4:3, or 3:4. And you can also select the subject to drag it into position, resize it using the corner handles, and rotate it using the top rotation handle. And after customizing your sky and subject position, you can click Generate to apply the changes. And once you're satisfied with your result, simply click the download button to save your edited image. For best results, make sure to use high-resolution sky images and experiment with AI backgrounds if you have a pro access. You can also try adjusting the subject placement and size for a more natural blend. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.